All right, guys. Welcome, guys. So in this module, I'm going to be introducing to you um, some very basic, um, you know, funnel building sites that you can use to build your sales funnel for for free. I'll go into the free funnel building site before I start talking about the paid site. One of the very most effective funnel building site that you can start using to build your funnel for free is system.io. I'm just gonna go in now and type it here, www.system.io. Okay. Okay, I think, am I getting that right? I'll probably have to go. Sorry, hold on, guys. Sometimes. Okay, I think I actually got it right. This is system.io. Yeah, I got it right. But okay. Let's see. So this is basically, yeah, system.io. I don't know, sometimes this thing can be very funny. So anyways, if you really want to go through it, you check the www.system.io and it doesn't really work for you, you can go through Google and search on it with Google. And what you want to do first is you want to create a free account with them. You want to create an account for free, and so to create an account you have to put in your email. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my email address right now. Which email should I use? Okay, okay, let me use this pinstripes. Sorry, pinstripes 200 at gmail.com. Okay, pinstripes 200 at gmail.com. So you're just gonna click in. We just sent you an email with the login details to access your system.io account. See you there. So you're just gonna go to your account and verify the accounts. So as soon as I'm done verifying it, I'm gonna be back again with the video, guys. Alright, so I am back here. This is my email account. So it's asking me to confirm my registration, so I'm going to click on the link. Okay, hi, in order to access your system.io account, please click on this confirmation link. I'm just going to click on this confirmation link, and it's asking me to choose a new password. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose a new password. So I'm going to say I'm not a robot, and then I'm going to click on save, and I'm all done. Yes, and I'm into the dashboard. This is the dashboard for system.io. This is an amazing platform that you can use to start creating your funnels. In fact, this platform is a complete package. Why do I call it a complete package? You can actually run a complete funnel from this tool, from this very tool. You can actually build, you can actually design a landing page, a squeeze page. You can actually design a thank you page. You can actually create an email sequence, with this particular tool. Let's go to the menu and see the things that you can do here. On this very menu, you have opportunity to build your funnels, like you see it there. This is a place where you can build the funnels. This is where you can set up your email automation. You can actually get to build your blogs, and this is automations. This is where you can set up maybe you have something you want to sell, like a sales product and sales. You can actually do it and automate it here. So it's like a complete package, like a complete total package that you can run and build in this very place, right? So in this bundle, in this very model, I'm going to show you guys how to actually start building your funnel. And for you to start building your funnel, you just have to click on funnels. And once you click on funnels, it's going to tell you, oh, your list is empty. That's because we've not created any funnel at all. There's no funnel. We don't have any funnel at all. So let's say we want to start building funnel, and we just have to think about, okay, what funnel do we want to build? What business do we want to do? Do you want to sell a physical product, or you want to sell a digital product? Okay, you get to think about that, and you ask yourself what you want to do. That would enable you to start building your funnel. However, before you actually get to this point to want to start building your funnel, you must have done basically all of your assignments. The funnel, this is not the part where you come here and then you start thinking about, what would I write, what would I say, how do I design it? No, basically everything that you're going to fix in, or you're going to put into your funnel, must have been done before now. You should have been able to do your homework. You must have been able to do some research, basically know what your funnel is going to look like. Because the truth of the matter is, funnel building, it's all about 50% of strategy. You have 40% of copywriting and just about 10% of design. So the design is what just comes last. It's what really comes later. It's not something that you really focus on. It's just about 10% of the whole process. So before we start doing this, we are going to go back now and talk about the strategy. We've looked at previously. We've looked at what makes a good funnel. We've looked at, before your funnel can be very attractive, you must think about two important things that makes a funnel to be very highly effective. You want to look at your offer, you want to look at the messaging, your copy, how effective is your copy, and then you also want to look at the boss technique. You want to look at your bonus, you want to look at the urgency, you want to look at your scarcity, and then you also want to look at the overall relevance of your funnel and what is the purpose. Your funnel, is it built for the cold audience? Is it built for the warm audience, or your funnel is actually built for the hot audience? However, what we are going to be building, or what we're going to be starting with, would eventually be a funnel that is designed to bring in leads, especially for the cold audience. Because what you're going to be working with as a newbie is basically bringing new leads, getting out there for people to get to know you, or for people to get to know a particular business that you are designing a funnel for. It depends if you're working for a client or if you're working for yourself, right? So first of all, we want to go back to our dashboard and be able to design, be able to create, be able to think about what we want to design. And once we are done with the strategy, we'll be able to come back here and then start fixing in everything. So I'm going to see you guys in the next module.